Oh boy, the Rio Grande? Sure, I'm excited. That train is a piece of our locomotive cultural heritage. She's got sleek lines, powerful engine, 6 luxury carriages, and class. I believe she's undergone a full restoration, and they've updated her with a cardinal red paint job. Beautiful. I believe that train's one of the first and last of her kind. She'll be bringing a full load of tourists here to the Springs on a daily basis. Not just to the Springs, neither. No, from El Paso to North Dakota. Sometimes I wonder what it'd be like to be a train driver. Feeling those long miles just stretching away under my feet. Watching the day burn down on me. Hearing those coyotes howl. Sipping hot coffee with the wind in my hair and the bugs in my teeth. Of course then I wouldn't have met my Jessie. And she's more special to me than any riveted hunk of iron and steel.